Welcome to STEM Presentations, affiliate of Tumsky and Mrs. Small, teaching science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Searching for natural science books, I came across this book, How Nature Works, by David Burney. Before you start your natural science project, you need to come up with a hypothesis or educated guess. My question was, can grass travel? My guess is, or hypothesis is, if planted in soil, I believe grass seeds sprouted on one side of the container will grow to the opposite side of the container using photosynthesis to grow and spread. Will I be right? I don't know. We have to test it. The first thing we need to do is gather materials. My project only needed 5: a plastic tray, potting soil, grass seed, water, and sunlight. You might need more materials in your project because every project is different. The next thing to do are the procedures. How are we going to set up our experiment to see if it works or test it? For my experiment, the first thing I had to do was poke holes in the tray. The water needs to seep out. Then I had to fill the tray with soil and pack it down. Next thing I had to do was sprinkle the seeds on one side of the tray only and add a little more soil. The fourth step I did was to spray or pour the water on the soil everywhere. So the soil was very wet. And the last thing I had to do was place the tray in the sunshine. I had to find a sunny window to put it in. The actual setup. Here we go. 1. Using a plastic clear tray, poke several holes into the bottom of it using a thumbtack for drainage. Next, fill up the container with potting soil, 3/4 full. Third, pat down the soil firmly on all of the trays. On one side only, close to the edge, sprinkle grass seeds. Be sure to keep them on one side of the tray only. We want to see if they'll grow and spread to the other side. Like this. Gently sprinkle more dirt on top of the seeds. Pat down again gently. Be careful. Spray down well with the water. If you don't have a spray, you can use a small cup. The seed side first, then the whole tray. Soak it well. You can test with a paper towel for wetness. Does the paper towel absorb water visibly? If not, use a pour cup and soak it well without disturbing the soil. You have to be careful. Test again with the paper towel. Looks good. Good job. So here's my tray all ready to go into the sunny window. And this is what I'm going to use to catch the water that drips down. This is the sunny spot. I'm going to put my tray right up there. Day 1 and 2, nothing growing yet. Here's the morning of the 3rd day. I see some little shoots coming up. Make sure you water it well. They like the water, that's for sure. Keep the ground very moist and in the sunlight. This is day 4 in our grass experiment. Who thinks that the roots are going to grow this way and then maybe sprout some green on this side? I wonder. I don't even know. So we're going to have probably might take 20 days or so.
If it happens at all.
I wonder how tall these will get. They grew really fast, very quickly. It sure is fun watering them. This is just regular water in a little spray bottle. If you don't have a spray bottle, that's okay. Take a little cup or whatever full of water. Just keep your grass moist. Day 7, getting taller. You can really see the roots. One thing I've observed is how the grass grows towards the sun. It's being pulled in one direction. They sure need the sun to grow. Wow, look at these roots. Oh, the green grass grows all around, all around. And here is day 14. And you can notice that there are some new sprouts away from the main bunch of grass that have come up. And that is showing us that grass can travel through its root system. I think that's amazing. We have observed a lot. What have we seen? We found out that the root system grows very fast, that the green grass grows towards the sun, that with water and light, grass can make its own food through photosynthesis and grow. And we've seen that the root system helps move the grass in all directions. With further study, I found out that grass shoots called rhizomes are growing under the soil. Rhizomes are a feature of the plant that is in its design to spread to new soil as it grows. So cool! So what is our conclusion? Or rather, what did we find out? We found out that grass has the capability to travel and spread in soil with good growing conditions provided. Yay! We make great natural scientists. By using the scientific method, we can come to useful conclusions. Thank you for watching this STEM presentation focusing on science. Subscribe to be notified of future presentations by STEM.